Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Close.io on desktop for call and email tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop. In the address bar, type in www.close.com and press enter. Wait for the Close.io homepage to load completely. Once the homepage is visible, look for the login button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly as it is case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. Wait a moment as your credentials are verified. After a brief loading period, you should be directed to your Close.io dashboard. Here, you will see various tools and options for call and email tracking. To set up call tracking, navigate to the Settings section in the sidebar. In the Settings menu, locate the Integrations tab. Click on Integrations to view available options. Choose the phone integration that best suits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the integration correctly. Next, for email tracking, return to the Settings section. Locate the email option in the Settings menu. Add your email account by following the specified prompts. Confirm that email tracking is enabled in your settings. After setup, you can start tracking your calls and emails effectively. Explore the various features to maximize your productivity on Close.io. Your journey to efficient call and email tracking begins now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.